Let me introduce this silk ribbon PLA from EIBOS. This unique filament comes with 3 vibrant colors: red, yellow, and blue. So as you can see, the single filament consists of 3 colors. It's cool, right? To ensure the best printing quality, I recommend to use filament dryer. This time I'm using EIBOS Polyphemus. This dryer can be used for 2 rolls of filament or 1 single 3 kg of filament. After drying filament, now you're good to go. Before printing this filament, I recommend to use Oka Slicer's filament tuning settings and determine what speed, temperature, and the cooling fan speed are suitable for your printer. Filament, dryer, and why not, extruder. So here's the result. As you can see, the area has complex feature or has a lot of wall layers or infill. That area's color will transition quickly. And area which does not have like a lot of complex feature, those area color will change pretty slowly. But as you can imagine, like calculate the final color transition will be super difficult. So this filament will gives you a random effect, which will make your prints iconic. If you're gonna print a base model like this, there's one friendly reminder. You need to be careful about these angles. If your walls is just 1, then the steep angle may cause issue like this. So use 2 walls or use shallow angle.